Let's do our first time value of money example. You've deposited $100 into a savings account that has an interest rate, or an APR, of 6% compounded yearly. For each of the years 0 through 20, what will be the beginning balance and interest earned? Okay, let's flip over to our Excel spreadsheet and navigate to the Compound Interest tab. In here, I've set up a template for this question. The interest rate of 6% is listed here at the top, and I've created a table below numbered 0 through 20 for years 0 through 20, a column for the balance at the year start, and a column for the interest earned. In financial contexts, we typically consider the day that you deposit your money or put your money to work to be period 0, since your money has not earned any interest yet, which is why I filled in the $100 here at the balance at the year start of 0. Our first step is to calculate the interest accrued between years 0 and 1. Remember, because the interest rate is 6%, that means that the lender, in this case the person who deposited the money into the savings account, earns 6% each period, which is in this case each year. So from the period spanning 0 to 1, we earn 6% interest on the $100 that we initially deposited into the account. So to calculate my interest, we simply multiply the interest rate times the balance at year start. When I hit enter, we can see that I earned $6 of interest in the first year. Our balance at the beginning of each year is just the sum of the previous balance at year start plus the interest earned during that period. So to get the balance at year start, we simply add these two numbers. Let's calculate the interest earned between periods 1 and 2. This time, instead of multiplying our interest rate of 6% by 100, I'm actually going to multiply it by our new balance of 106, because that is the new balance on which we are earning interest in our account. When I hit enter, we can see that our interest earned is $6.36, because the basis on which we are earning interest has increased. Our balance at the beginning of year 2 is 106 plus 636, which gives us $112.36. You can see the pattern here, so let's use the fill handle to click and drag both of these things down. And there you go, our savings schedule has been completely filled out. If we scroll to the bottom, we can see that our balance at the beginning of year 20 is $320, a far cry from the $100 that we deposited into our savings account to begin with. The interest we earned in the first year was $6, and by the time we reach year 20, the interest we earned is $19.24. If we look at the increase in interest over time, it took about 12 periods to double the first time, and then only about 8 periods to double the second time. Here, we can see the power of compound interest at work.